Hello, my name is John Hauk. I've been in the nail industry for over 20 years and I've won 300 competitions worldwide. Today I'm a guest artist at the Nail Superstore, and today I'm going to be showing you a variety of products and styles. Let me give you a brief introduction of our products. We have our Artisan Acrylic powders and liquids with a variety of colors. We also have 8 to 22 of our brushes. And we also have a variety of prepping products for everything that you need to apply the products. All right now I'm going to start to do a tip and overlay, pink and white, with a white tip. So I'm going to begin to prep the nail with a 180 file. I'm going to lightly come through the nail plate. Making sure to use a very light touch on the nail plate. We just want to etch the top of the surface and not remove all of the natural nail plate. Okay. I'm going to come in with a cuticle pusher just to make sure that we have a nice rim for the product to lay around, and take the cuticle all the way back. All right. Again, using a very light touch as to not hurt or damage any of your client. Next, I'm going to be using the Dust Buster. This is a bit that you can apply into any e-file. Just slide it in. I'm going to be using it on about a 5,000 RPM. And this is the most effective way to remove any dust and debris off the natural nail plate. I'm now going to go into using the Equalizer. This is a natural nail prep bonding agent. It's a very water-like consistency, so you don't want to flood the nail plate. We're going to use just enough on the natural nail plate only. I'm ready to apply my tip. I'm going to be using the Perfect C nail tip. And to apply, I'm going to be using the Instant Bond. I'm going to take the cap off, apply the bonding agent to the back of the tip. Just a very little amount. Don't flood the tip. And I'm just going to apply straight on to where the smile line area is. I'm going to come around and pinch in, make sure the tip is going all the way around the natural nail. Holding for just a few seconds. I'm going to come in and cut the tip. There we go. At this stage, it's time to choose whether you're going to use a primer. I have 2 types of primers to use. I can use the Prime-X or the Ultra Bond. The Ultra Bond is for extra strength and nail primer. It is an acidic primer. The Prime-X is an acid-free nail primer. I'm going to use the Ultra Bond. Again, it's a very water-like consistency. So I'm going to use it very sparingly, just over the natural nail plate. Be careful not to flood the cuticle or drag it over the tip. So today I'm going to be using our clear, pure color, and I'm going to be using our premium pink color to finish this nail. I'm going to be applying ultra crystal clear to the tip at the stress area, bringing forward, and then premium pink in the back, the cuticle, blending forward. So I'm going to take a bead of my ultra crystal clear. Apply right at the stress area. bring forward. Right. Now I'm going to come in with my premium pink. Apply at the stress area. I'm going to push back toward the cuticle. Blend forward. Be sure to keep the product off the cuticle, not flooding it. Blending it just up to the tip. As the acrylic's curing, I'm going to come in with the side of my brush handle and I'm going to lightly press at the stress area so that I can form the perfect C curve. Again, just gently, right through the sidewall area, as to not put too much pressure on the natural nail plate. Now we're going to begin to file and finish the nail. We carry a wide variety of abrasives, all the way from 100, 180 to 150, 220 to 280, down to 1000, 4000, which is the Pro Magic Shiner. All right, I'm going to choose to start in today with a 180. I'm going to first come into my sidewall, my groove wall, to the other side, sidewall, up in the groove wall, come to the free edge. I'm going to come back to the cuticle area. Again, using light strokes, letting the file work for you. Then bringing them all together up to the stress area. I'm going to go into my 220, 280. My 280, flip it. Make sure that you go all the way around the nail. All right. I'm now going to go in to my Pro Magic Shiner. Going to 1000 side first. Again, make sure you go all the way around the nail. Go to the 4000. And I'm going to finish off with some cuticle oil.
You might also mention we have also good.
We also have the Magic Shiner in the block size. It's a little bit smaller. It's also good to use for anybody that has smaller hands that use a smaller stroke. Again, it's the same side, 1000, 4000. Come in and finish with just a little bit of cuticle oil. It's a tip and overlay.